Good morning, everybody. And today I'm actually going to answer my first viewer question. I got a question from a viewer about a week ago asking me to elaborate on common law marriage. The viewer was attempting to file for survivor's benefits, and for survivor's benefits, the marriage requirement for a current spouse, if your spouse passed away during the marriage, you have to have been married for at least 1 year. For a divorced spouse situation, it is 10 years. Um, and the viewer had a remark on here that she was married, legally married to her ex husband for 9.5 years, and then attempted to use common law marriage to make up the difference of the 6 months requirement for to make the marriage legal. And she was turned down. Now, the reason why it's been a week since I received the comment versus me making this video is I sent her a follow up question because to really answer the question, I need to know what state the marriage occurred in. And I haven't heard back. So I'm going to go ahead and attempt to answer the question with the information I've got. The problem with common law marriage, first problem is right now, common law marriage is legal only in 11 states. It used to be legal in a lot more states, but it's not. And so when you attempt to allege common law marriage, uh, they're going to look at the date that you're alleging you were cohabitating, and was common law marriage legal in that state at the time. For instance, the state of California, common law marriage has not been legal. Give me a moment while I pull this up again. Since 1895. And so in the state of California, if you were living with somebody in the 70s or 80s, common law marriage is not legal at that point. So kind of important for me to know which state you're married in. For spousal benefits, for any kind of spousal benefit, you have to have been married to your spouse if you're still married for 1 year. And for divorced spouse benefits, it's 10 years. I remember this one claim that I had that I worked with a divorced spouse. And when she sent me the documents for proof of duration of marriage, she was actually married to her ex husband for 9 years, and she missed it by about a month. And unfortunately, there's no leniency in the law. So I could not award her divorce spouse benefits because she missed it by 30. And I don't even think it was 30 days. It was less than that. It's very close that she missed it. Um, Something to think about if you're ever going through a divorce and you think you might be eligible for benefits from your ex spouse and you're close to that 10-year duration. I'd try and wait out the 10 years. But that's my answer to the question right now. Now, if the viewer sees this video and she has more information, she can tell me which state she was married in. Maybe there's a different answer because, again, they did turn her down. Right now, the states where common law marriage is still legal are Colorado, Iowa, Kansas, Montana, New Hampshire, Oklahoma, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Texas, Utah, and the District of Columbia. Um, so if she was married in one of those states, I'd have to do a little more research. But other than that, this is my answer to the question, and I hope that answers her question. And I look forward to questions from more viewers, and so we can take some more of these issues on. I hope everybody's having a great week.